Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about AOC Agon Pro AG276QZD OLED gaming monitor. So friend, AOC has recently unveiled its newest addition to the gaming monitor lineup, the Agon Pro AG276QZD, featuring a 27-inch OLED display, and this monitor is comparable to the LG UltraGear 27GR95QEB but comes with a more attractive price tag of $999 and friend in terms of technical specification, it stands shoulder to shoulder with LG counterpart, offering a 2560 x 1440 resolution, 240 Hz refresh rate, rapid 0.3 millisecond gray to gray response time, 10-bit color depth, and impressive 98.5% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage. And friend, the monitor delivers a striking brightness of 1000 nits when displaying HDR content, but the 150 nits output for HDR content is slightly less remarkable. And friend, it is anticipated to be available in the market by June, and with a suggested retail price of $999. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.